Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Facebook Lite, how to change notification settings. So here I'll be teaching you how to change your notification settings in Facebook Lite. So here a notification on Facebook Lite. Sometimes when you go to manage apps, sometimes Facebook Lite doesn't really appear on the notification area right there. But sometimes it does, but some on the other phones doesn't. So here I'm going to give you a quick guide to how to change your notification settings using the Facebook Lite app itself. So all you need to do is open up your Facebook Lite and click on three horizontal line on top right. Once you're here, click on settings. After clicking on settings right here, you will see right here, once you're here, you will see notification right here. Press on notification. After pressing on the notification, here are all the notifications right here. As you can see, they're only push only, which means it will only push the notification to the apps right here. So now to change it, for example, you don't want a comment or tags or updates from friends, you don't want those, you can just press on that and turn it off. Then turn it off. There, as you can see, in app only, which that means when it will only notify when you're the in apps only. There you go. As you can see right there, those are the notification. And here you can also type in notification right here. Right here, as you can see, allow notification on Facebook. You can turn this off right here if you want. There you go, you can turn that off. You won't receive them on Facebook by push, email, or SMS. None of that, as you can see right there. And here, as you can see right here, public post notification. There you go. That's about it. That's about it. The notification, and as you can see, get notification when you're tagged by anyone. So you can change it to friends only. So if you want only friend notification when you get tagged, you can choose that. There we go. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. So yeah, and before I go, quick tip for you guys, you can just turn this off like other notifications for you guys. Yes, those doesn't matter that much. So yeah, you guys have enjoyed. If you have more questions, type it in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and there you go, guys. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.